If you believe that illness only comes with age, this might feel a little uncomfortable to hear. And that's okay, because scientific research, combined with decades of experience from senior doctors, tells a different story. Most chronic diseases aren't really caused by age. They aren't just genetics either. In fact, the real culprit is something that quietly builds up in the body over many years, something we rarely talk about, something we often ignore. Medical science calls it toxic mucus. Over time, this mucus thickens the blood, it slows down oxygen flow, and it disrupts the delivery of essential nutrients to your cells. When this happens for long enough, the body shifts into survival mode. It focuses on getting through the day, not on repairing itself, not on deep, true healing. That's why conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, joint pain, kidney issues, or digestive problems may look different on the surface. Yet inside the body, almost the same process is happening. The cells are struggling, oxygen is limited, minerals are missing, inflammation increases, the body's natural repair system becomes weaker over time. And this isn't really about age. It's usually the result of years of wrong, overly processed, unnatural foods that slowly overload the body. Now, you might be thinking, if the body can heal itself naturally, why doesn't it? It's a great question. Doctors have a very clear answer. When the blood becomes too acidic, when the digestive system is overloaded, and when cells aren't getting essential minerals, the body simply can't enter repair mode. Medications may help control symptoms, but they don't fix the root cause. That's why many seniors, even while taking regular medicine, still feel tired. Sleep isn't restful, joints stay stiff, energy remains low. These are not random complaints. They are clear signals that the problem is not just about symptoms. It's about lifestyle and diet, the root causes that have been building up for years. Here's the good news. Healing can begin naturally. According to medical nutrition specialists, the first and most important step is cleaning the blood. Blood works best when we eat foods that are natural, alkaline, and rich in minerals. Here's something many people don't realize. The body doesn't truly run on vitamins alone. It runs on minerals. Calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. When these reach your cells in the right amounts, your body's natural healing mechanisms start working automatically. It's like flipping a switch. Repair begins on its own, and when people correct their diet, the results aren't just theoretical, they are tangible. Digestion becomes lighter, joint pain slowly eases, skin begins to clear, sleep deepens, energy starts to return. Often these changes can be noticed in just a few weeks. That's your body telling you, I'm moving in the right direction. Now here's a key tip doctors and nutrition experts emphasize. The most effective healing foods are those that don't produce mucus and actually help dissolve it. Leafy greens like kale, watercress, and dandelion leaves are essential. Fruits such as berries, figs, dates, and sour fruits support digestion and mineral absorption. Natural grains like quinoa and wild rice, along with healthy oils like olive and sesame oil, improve blood flow and digestion. But here's where many people make a critical mistake. They want to heal, yet they continue eating foods that harm the body. According to senior doctors, dairy products, artificial sugar, and processed meat are the worst culprits. These foods burden the lungs and digestive system. They thicken the blood further and worsen problems, especially in seniors, where digestion is naturally slower. That's why gradually removing these foods and replacing them with natural, alkaline options is so powerful. Relief comes naturally. Healing begins without force or struggle. And remember, this isn't magic, it's science. It's physiology working exactly as it should. Finally, never forget this. Healing is not about shortcuts. It happens when you start giving your body what it truly needs. It doesn't come from pills. It doesn't come from complicated routines. Healing begins when we return to nature. When the body receives the right foods, the right minerals, and the right oxygen, it makes its own decision, whether illness stays or goes. If you want more science-based health insights, clear explanations, and practical guidance for seniors, subscribe to the Clinical Discovery channel now, because knowledge itself is the first step toward real, lasting healing.